So here we are again. Last time we printed this one and we wanted to have open holes everywhere. Now I added twice the pigments. This one had 15 drops of black pigment and some previously added graphite powder. Now I remixed with 15 more drops of pigment, black pigment. Now you can see that the holes come out pretty much, except that the light exposure from the projector was the same amount of time, 1 second, because I thought that here the exposure time was too long, 1 second. And then I thought, because I'm adding pigments, I'm just not gonna change the exposure time. So it was 1 second per layer. Pretty much all the holes came out. So we have here 1 millimeter diameter hole without breathe holes in the bottom. I allow air to fill up the space and the liquid resin to flow down the tubes, with little holes on the sides. But so one row doesn't have those holes, one row does. So this time the holes without breathe holes on the sides did pretty well too, except for these ones here, this row over here. And I'm surprised that some 250 micron holes came out. We can see them, the bottom line here, and that's what we want to get. So even though the exposure time was too short, for these areas where the gradient light is weaker, because it's stronger here in the middle and weaker on the sides because it's a projector and it has round lenses. So we know that with this exposure time for this type of material and this type of transparency level, we can build parts in this area with pretty much good accuracy, and then UV post cure them. That's very nice.